Saint Lucia is advancing its commitment to tracking greenhouse gas emissions reductions, fulfilling its reporting obligations under the Paris Agreement and the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change. The Sustainable Development Department is receiving support from Ether UK Limited and the UN Environment Programme through a training initiative focused on Saint Lucia's greenhouse gas inventory for the 4th National Communication and the Biannual Transparency Report. The program, which commenced Monday at the Bay Gardens Hotel in Rodney Bay, concluded Wednesday.
It's really important to build the capacity in St Lucia so that the national experts can produce the inventory independently without us, and also to report on the international stage to show willingness and also to support conversations around adaptation, which is really more of a priority in St Lucia as climate change happens.
Officials noted the synergy between the 4th National Communication, submitted every 4 years, and the Biannual Transparency Report, which is tabled every 2 years. The greenhouse gas inventory encompasses 8 primary sectors.
We have 8 priority sectors. We have in energy and infrastructure, we have tourism, we have to do with the natural environment, this is resilient ecosystems, and some others. For our mitigation actions, we probably you have seen around with the electric mobility, so we are phasing out those fossil fuel vehicles that are fueled on fossil fuels, and we are bringing in more electric vehicles so that we can reduce on our greenhouse gas emissions.
The seminar will also validate St Lucia's previous climate change records.
The workshop itself is a compilation of the greenhouse gas inventory for St Lucia, looking at our last inventory ended in 2018. So this workshop will look at our inventory from 2019 until 2023. And we are going to do a validation of our previous inventory to make sure that our emissions or anything that was probably missed is updated, and so to show our time series to see what our emissions are like in St Lucia, whether it's going down, whether it's going up, and if we are meeting our NDC targets, which is our nationally determined contributions.
Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is vital to mitigating the effects of climate change. This includes transitioning to cleaner energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and decreasing waste. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.